this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make money online for free worldwide without any investment, without any website. I'm going to walk you through entire steps. There's actually two ways that you can use to make money if you watch the video until the end. So just jump into the video, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share. And if you like this video, leave a like on the bottom of the video. So first, what you have to do, we're going to use an affiliate marketing system as a method one to earn money. And if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show the second way that you can make money. So what you have to do, join an affiliate program like ClickBank, JBSO, Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a CPS offers, and you can join Digistore 24 to find an affiliate product that you want to promote, anything that you can promote, guys. So I'm going to go with belly fat tonic, this one, or you can find any product on technology or health and fitness niche. After that, what you do, you find the product, you have to open that, and you need to understand what this product is about, because you have to understand the product before you are promoting. After that, what you have to do, you have to go to website. This one is called killerplrarticle.com. I already made a bunch of video on that. Go and check it out, my old videos. This website, you have articles, PLR articles on that. You can use it for free. That you can see, you can use it on your website, or you can use it to make videos. You can use it on your social media without getting any copyright claims, guys. So you can find a various topic articles on various topic. Actually, I'm promoting a product on belly fat and losing belly fat, so I found a couple of articles that you can see here, and there's a bunch of articles are there. So this method I'm going to show you is without any website. Even you don't need a Google site in order to promote this product, guys. And the second method, you can earn some additional income on top of your affiliate income, guys. So what you do, find an articles here and open that article. This is the article I just found out and I want to promote it. So this is the article. So what you do, copy that article and put it on a Word document or Google document if you have one. Google document is the next one I'm going to use, so it would speed up the process. The reason I copy and paste it on here to check grammar, because there's a lots of grammar issue with that article. So you have to not a lot of them, but you can identify any issue with that. And I want to shorten the paragraph, because you can see there's a big paragraph, is hard to read. So I will split the paragraph into nice looking articles. So what I do now, I just click Control All and copy these articles and open your Google document. And you can use the Word document or Google document, speed up the process. You can see I just copy them, paste the articles. I just put a simple image on that. On here, what you do, if you have a Google document, you have to go to this one called insert here, and you're going to click this one called headers and footers, and you're going to click footer. On here, you're going to type like, you have to put that beginning sentence or for your affiliate product name. So you can see this is my affiliate product name here, and I can highlight that for you. And you can see this is the beginning sentence, my affiliate product name. Then I said best way to lose belly fat, learn more. I didn't just promote product, I didn't say buy now or something like that. Just I want them to go to this website. This is the landing page. They can watch the video. If they're interested, they can buy that product, right? So that's why I said learn more. Then what I did, I highlighted, I go to my ClickBank, click promote and get my affiliate link. And this is if you click generate a hop link, and it will give you affiliate link. Copy this, and after you copy it and go back your Google document, highlight it, click this link button here and insert the affiliate link and click apply, and the footer will be added into all the pages. You can see 3 pages. Now this footer is added into that. Now you can share this Google document. The problem with this is if they click this link, it won't open. It's not a clickable link. So what you have to do, you have to convert this document into PDF. So what you have to do, click file, and you're going to download that into PDF. After you download that into PDF, you're going to use another Google product. It's called Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage platform where you can store your document. Now what you do, click this one called new. On here, you're gonna open actually it's not folder. Click new, and you're gonna file upload, and you're gonna, this is the PDF that you downloaded. Click open that, and when you open that, and it will give because I already upload that you can see here, and this is your uploaded document. Now what you do, click open this. This is the PDF document that you uploaded into Google Drive. Okay, now what you do, click this three dot here and you can click share, and this will give you this one here. You have to say get the link here. You have to change this one to, you can restrict it to the people, or you can allow that link to be seen by anyone. So you can see anyone with the link able to see this document. This is your Google Drive. This is a shareable link. So what you do, copy this link and you're gonna go to the another website. The another website is the one gonna pay you some additional income on top of the affiliate commission. I also watched the video under the end. I'm gonna show how you can promote it to get free organic traffic. So you have to go to website. This one calls oke.io. Here what you have to paste the URLs and click shorten, and you're gonna give this shorten link. What you do, this is the one you're gonna promote it for the people to get free organic travel. People click this shorten link and it will redirect at this one, your document here that you can see. So for that couple of seconds they will display some advertisement from this website. For that you're gonna get paid some additional income. So if you are living top tier country like USA, UK, that every 1,000 views you can get paid around $5 to $6, guys. Those is the additional income that you can get on top of affiliate income. Now what you have to do, the one and the best to get a free organic traffic is Pinterest. So what you have to do on Pinterest, you have to create a free account. After that you can click this one called create and create pin, and this is the image that you can go and make it on Canva. I simply made it, lose your belly fat and show your face six-pack, something like that. Now what you do here, you're gonna copy this title because we are promoting these articles, not affiliate product. You have to understand that. You have to promote this, you're gonna give some value. So you're gonna paste that and you're gonna say PDF so the people can watch, they can download that PDF and read. Then you're gonna copy this exactly the same thing, put it on the description. After that you're gonna put some hashtags like a belly fat, something like that. On the destination link, what you have to do, you have to add this shorten link. Copy this, add it on here, and select the board that I already have a fitness board. I'm gonna copy that and gonna paste it here. Now you see, without any issue, my pin will be posted on Pinterest. Say again, so you can click this one, see your pin. This is the pin. People click this pin and now it will take to this website. They're gonna watch some advertisement here. They're gonna click this one called I'm Not a Robot, and you're gonna click the taxi and verify and click continue, and it will take to the page. You can see you have to wait around 6 to 5 seconds for that. After that it will automatically redirect it, or not automatically, it's sometime automatic. You have to click the link and it will redirect it to this articles. For that couple of seconds, this website is going to pay you money for that. So you can use an alternative way. You can see 2 views automatically because I clicked it, but if the people start to click it, you can earn that money. You can withdraw that using PayPal. So in this method you can earn money initially from this website because of the sharing the link, and secondly, if the people buy your affiliate product, and you can make big commission like $136. So if you can make a $100 per sale from every single day, that easily you can make up to $3,000 per month as a passive income from this method, guys. All you have to do is you have to promote this pin over and over again on Pinterest, Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, and if you are on YouTube, guys, or TikTok, and you can generate free organic traffic. From that you can initially earn money from this website for the clicking the link, and secondarily from big commission from affiliate marketing. So I hope guys you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share, and press the like button on the bottom of the video. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.